I show you how to change the rear lock assembly from the Honda Odyssey. You have to take that cover off. Put it over there. Take it out. There's the two bolt right here. One right here. I already took it out. One right here and one right here. This is a connector for the motor. You have to take it out. This connector goes here. Right here. Take it out. This is the one bolt right here. You can see it right here. And you remove this. Remove this bolt. Remove this bolt. The whole assembly came out. I already took it out. That's it. It's very simple, very easy to install. Thanks for watching.